Hi guys, I'm Christine, co-founder of Glow Recipe. So today I'm going to show you my skincare routine using the Watermelon Glow Up Kit. It is this trio of products. So earlier this year, the toner and the dewdrops absolutely went viral on TikTok. So this kit basically has everything you need for bouncy, glowing, radiant skin. It has a full size of the toner, a travel size of the dewdrops, and then a travel size of the pink juice as well. So I'm going to show you how I use this. This is pretty much my daily routine encapsulated in a box. All right, so I just cleaned my face, bare face right now, and my first step is, of course, the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. Toners are really the first leave-on step that drenches your skin in essential nutrients, and this has a lot of them. You can see in the texture, which is super bouncy, can you see that? That it's a blend of hydrating ingredients like the cactus extract, which is what makes it so stretchy, and also soothing watermelon extract, but also ingredients like PHAs and BHAs that help to refine the pores and decongest and declog. So already I can see my skin is very hydrated, it feels very plush, and I'm gonna go in with my favorite product, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Now this is first and foremost a niacinamide infused serum. So I'm going to use 2 pumps for the full face, and you can see that really nice glow that it gives the skin, and it just helps skin look refreshed and really naturally dewy. This is also ophthalmologist tested, so you can actually use it as a base for concealer. It works really well to grip your makeup. It can even be used on the eyelids for a little boost in dewiness, as it is ophthalmologist tested. Dabbing it on the high points of the face. And then last but not least, you want to seal everything in with a moisturizer. And this pink juice moisturizer is really near and dear to my heart because it's actually the second leave-on product we launched after the watermelon mask. And you guys told us you wanted to drench your skin in soothing watermelon extract day and night. So we actually formulated this based on your request. It is an oil-free kind of gel emulsion texture, if you will, really lightweight. And my skin just drinks it right up. So I'm gonna apply it again. And once again, I don't have any makeup on right now, but it just gives a really healthy, natural, dewy glow. And I would just walk out like this and feel polished and just fresh-faced for the day. And of course, don't forget SPF in the daytime. All right, so that is my dewy skin routine in a nutshell. So with this kit, we're excited to not only be able to give you guys the toner and dewdrops viral dewy duo, but also the pink juice moisturizer, which really just helps to round out this routine for ultra dewy, hydrated, bouncy skin. All right, hope you guys enjoyed following my routine. Let us know if you have any comments or questions. Bye, get your glow on.